Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. This side Alan. So this is Mr. Chethan Kumar. This is the highway, the main Mangalore highway, the Bangalore highway. So he just sell over there. Each pole have 4 plants. 1, 2, 3, 4. So one plant normally it costs about 20 rupees. So for 1 acre you need about 300 plants. And you know guys, the first time I ate dragon fruit when I was studying in 7th class, and you can see the color. So basically when we talk about the dragon fruit, you can say the market. So earlier the people are just like, if you are buying a dragon fruit, literally we think that we are buying something is expensive, really expensive. This plant, this is basically a desert plant, and mainly it came from Middle America and the Latin America we call. So from there the fruit were originated, and later on the cultivation was extremely in Asian, like Thailand, Vietnam. We call it as a Vietnam fruit basically. So in early 1990s it came to India as the name of a dragon fruit. So people in Maharashtra, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, they started cultivating in a huge quantity. So we are in Erisavaya, Hassan district. So these are the dragon fruit. So he just planted from the 2023 January. So it's been like 2 years, and he is just maintaining all the dragon fruit. So let's know about the dragon fruit farming and everything. And finally, he need to convey one message, that is the market. To sell the sapling, basically you can just cut the part from here and you can just plant and it will generate. So the nursery, the people are just focusing to sell the plant. No, they are not focusing whether the farmer get profit or not. So that kind of things are happening. So everyone are just extremely promoting that, and people are just selling the plants. But because of that, farmers are producing. They are producing in a good way, but the market went down. So that is the struggling nowadays happening in India. So especially in Karnataka, there is one organization. What was the name? KEFA. So fruit association, exotic fruit association. So KEFA, the Karnataka Exotic Fruit Association, they just made an alert on the farmers not to promote extremely for the dragon fruit, because already who are cultivating the dragon fruit, they are suffering. So that is the main reason. So I hope you guys totally understand. So I'm not suppressing. You should do the farming, but find where you can get sell. So that is the main thing in market. So market is nowadays crucial. Like everyone is planting that. Because of that, nowadays the market went down. So earlier the dragon fruit, if someone buying dragon fruit, we think that it's you are buying a literally expensive thing. But right now everything is available like 80 to 100 rupees. So that is a kind of thing. So even farmers also think like how we can develop the market, like how we can go in the online market mode, or we go to the different exploring city. Like if we are in Karnataka, people go to Bangalore. Not only Bangalore, you can sell it in different part of Karnataka. So farmers also should focus on that. So apart from that, how is the dragon fruit? Like maintaining all the things.
Maintaining is okay.
हाँ.
Maintaining is ज़्यादा खर्च नहीं
Okay,
होता
so
लेकिन marketing problem
marketing is the problem.
Yeah.
So he's saying that the marketing is the problem. So for me, especially, like from my experience, to catch the market, how long you can catch the market, that much profit you can make. So especially farmers are just like finding one dealer and giving to him. So by finding yourself, that is the great. So he's having the marketing thing by himself. He just after the harvest, he just place the fruits over the. This is the highway, the main Mangalore highway, the Bangalore highway. So he just sell over there, and apart from that, he just home supply, home delivery. He do that. So he's doing his marketing good, but he is giving a good suggestion to the farmers who are doing. Like you can start in a new technology, like new idea with on the market. So because the marketing is so down nowadays, because they are giving less rate, like 80 to 100 rupees in Bangalore. So I hope you guys understand how the dragon fruit and the demand and everything. So sir, how we can improve the market?
Consumption should
Increase.
Yeah.
So guys, he's saying that the people should understand the benefit of the fruit, and the people should start buying it. So basically when you start buying we have 140 crore people in India. So everyone start eating dragon fruit, obviously then the demand will be increased. So that's how the farmers also will get a good push. So it is literally a good fruit for your health. And apart from that, the farmer is applying no chemicals, like completely organic. He is putting Jiva Amrit, cow dung, like sheep manure, chicken manure. So basically dragon fruit doesn't need extreme fertilizer or extreme pesticide. The only risk factor is like sun dry.
Sunburn.
So for that sunburn, for that purpose you need to give a good irrigation, and apart from that fungus.
Fungicide. Yes.
Fungus. And you know guys, the first time I ate dragon fruit when I was studying in 7th class, and you can see the color. So basically when we talk about the dragon fruit, you can say the market. So earlier the people are just like, if you are buying a dragon fruit, literally we think that we are buying something is expensive, really expensive. But nowadays the market went down because of the extreme cultivation. So that is one of the risk factor nowadays. So try to find good market, like going to different part of area like cities. Especially nowadays farmers are just only looking to the highly developed area, like if a farmer is from Karnataka, they are looking to Bangalore. If the farmer is from Andhra or Telangana, they are looking to the Hyderabad. So not only that, look to normal cities also, so that you will be getting a good market for the dragon fruit. And apart from that, the risk factor when we look into that is sun heat, like sun drying, so that you need to do the regular drip, so that the plant will be surviving. The second thing is that the fungus, so it can affect the fungus. So maintaining, giving the fungicide properly, so that will reduce the risk factor. And that's how you need to maintain the dragon fruit. So basically that are the important things we need to discuss. So you can see a massive dragon fruit. So welcome to the dragon fruit farming. So we are in Hassan, Karnataka. So you can see this is about 2 acres of dragon fruit plantation. Look at the plant size, and it's been like 2 years. So that is the farmer. So he started the farming in 2013, January, and after that he is just taking care about this dragon fruit farming. And you can see already it's been harvested, and now the new fruiting is coming, and it will take about 1 month of time to get it harvested. It will take time to mature, and you can see how they arranged the plantation. It's about 12 into 12, that means 12 feet plant to plant, and 12 feet row to row. So you can see that's the distance. So the reason why there is a easy transportation of these tractors, they will clear the weed with the rotavator, and that is the thing. So you can see a lot of weed, and you need to remove this weed by using a tractor or by using any kind of equipment. Otherwise on this way you cannot run a tractor. So the people will sit here and they will pluck the weed, whatever, they will remove it. So that's how the weeding is done. So when we look into the plantation, you can see this plant, this is basically a desert plant, and mainly it came from Middle America and the Latin America we call. So from there the fruit were originated, and later on the cultivation was extremely in Asian, like Thailand, Vietnam. We call it as a Vietnam fruit basically. So in early 1990s it came to India as the name of a dragon fruit. So people in Maharashtra, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, they started cultivating in a huge quantity. So nowadays farmers also struggling because the rate went down. So when we look before 5 years, the dragon fruit have a good price, like it was about 200 to 350 rupees, and right now the farmers is getting about 100 or sometimes getting about 80 rupees, because a lot of supply, because of that the demand was reduced. That also in your hand, like farmers is going to direct market, and if they sell, they will get less price. If you sell it by yourself, like taking the fruits and packing it in a good way, and if you sell it through online mode, you will get a good market. So that's how the market works. So let's discuss about the plantation. So you need to maintain a distance between 12 feet of plant to plant and 12 feet row to row. So if you maintain that, a good aeration, the fertigation will be applicable very easily. So you can see this is the pole. So you can see a small ring over here. So this pole, it cost about 400 rupees, and this ring, it cost about 200 rupees. The total charge is about 600 rupees right now. And you can see this will help to manage the spreading the plant in a good way, so that you can harvest all the 360. And you can see each pole have 4 plants, 1 2 3 4. So one plant normally it costs about 20 rupees. Nowadays there is a lot of market for the plant, like people are just cutting from here, and they will plant for that 20 rupees, you understand. So lot of nurseries are running a plant business, and if you sell it in pot, you will get about 60 to 70 rupees, and that's how it. So this complete plantation, it's about 2 years, and after the plantation you need to take care about with basically this farmer Chethan Kumar, he is using organic like chicken manure, cow dung, sheep manure, and Jeevamrit. So that's how he is using, and these are the drip. So he just planted this for 1500 rupees, like including the pole ring and plants drip and everything. So that's how that was his investment. So for 1 acre you need about 300 plants. So you can calculate, like one plant it cost about 1500 rupees, and he maintained it good way, like maintaining all the nutrient value for the plants. And after the plantation you will be getting the fruit from the 1.5 year, and continues till 6 months. Like the season is June to November. After the harvest you need to do the pruning, you need to remove the extra large branches, you need to do the pruning. So that how it work. And you can see this all are just newly generated fruits, and after that it will take about 1 month of time to mature. So that's how it work. So you can see these are the way they arranged, and you can just tie this 4 plants at a time, and that's how it originally placed. Unique idea give you good market. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. See you soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.